Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10, fix Windows Store download problems and store crashes. First solution is, type WS reset in Windows search bar. Click WS reset. Second solution is, type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it into command window. Type exit from command window. Third solution is, click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Click Microsoft Store. Click Advanced Properties. Click Reset. Click Reset. Now try to open Microsoft Store. Fourth solution is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type netstop WUAU serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop bits. Type netstop MSI server. Ren C, colan/windows/ software distribution space, software distribution.old. renc/windows/system32/catroot2 catroot2.old. Netstart WUAU serve. Netstart Crypt SVC. Netstart Bits. Netstart MSI Server. Type exit from command window. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type wuauclt.exe, /update now. Restart computer. Fifth solution is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type scconfig, WUAU serve, start equal to auto. Type scconfig, bits, start equal to auto. Type scconfig, crypt svc, start equal to auto. Type scconfig, trusted installer, start equal to auto. Exit from command window. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.